Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I am here with a quick fix for when you get the file doesn't exist or file could not be removed error. First, open the Files app on your device, go to the Browse tab, then tap three dots in upper right corner, then select Edit option, turn off all the toggles, tap Done option from here. Now close the Files app, press and release the volume up button and down button quickly, and press the side button and hold it until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Once the logo shows up, release the slide button to force restart. Wait for your phone to turn back on. After it reboots, go to back to the browser tab. From there, tap the three dots and select Edit option, turns the toggles back on and hit Done. This should fix the error and remove the file message. It won't delete any data. If you found a better fix, feel free to share in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. And do like, subscribe. See you in the next video.